Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do the bodyweight lunge. We're going to do the stationary lunge, or some people call the split squat. We want to come into our split stance here, grabbing the floor with our front foot, think of that foot tripod again, having our back leg face in towards our front leg. We want to find a distance that allows us, as we go into the range of motion, to have a 90-degree angle in both of our legs. So, something like this. Don't touch the knee to the ground, but roughly as close as you can get it there. So this exercise, we want to again keep our core nice and tight. Taking a deep breath in, bracing our core. This is the best practice to make sure that we're making the most out of any exercise we're doing. And when we progress to something like the barbell back lunge, that we're going to keep our core nice and tight. So, ground the floor with that front foot. If you have dumbbells, you can load it this way. That back leg face towards the front leg. Breathe in, brace, lower the hips and chest down until these are at a 90-degree angle. Back up. Nice and controlled. Think 3 to 4 seconds on the way down. Back up. If you want to make this more advanced, you can do something like a walking lunge. That into the walking lunge. Sprinter's pose. Front foot elevated lunge. Or rear foot elevated lunge. Which brings us close to a Bulgarian split squat. Split squat lunge is a similar exercise. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, you can hit that subscribe button below for more content similar to this. See you guys next time.